Today, I'm going to be showing you how to free a stuck DVD. I know a lot of people don't use DVDs no more, but you should get one stuck, especially if you get one stuck in a TV DVD combo. If you look closely, you may see where the DVD is lodged in there and it won't come out. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, here we go. Now, let's get at it. First thing we're going to do is make sure there is no electricity flowing through the TV set. So we're going to disconnect the power cord. Now, with the hex wrench, I'm going to take these 4 bolts out that anchors the pedestal. Separate that from the TV set to make our workspace more accommodating. Now, once we have our 4 bolts removed from the pedestal and our pedestal in a safe place, we're going to go ahead and take the back off of the TV set. And we'll start right now with that. This has about maybe 11 or 12 more little bitty screws in them. So I'm going to be very careful with these and put them in a place where I can keep all them. Remove those. There are some that are a little bit longer. I want to remember where those come from, so that the TV is put back together and is secure. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, and then we got some more short ones, same size as the first 2 we pulled out. We're going to keep those grouped together, all the light ones together in a group. Now the tougher ones are kind of in slots. Well, not these, but there are some slots on this side of the TV, or the underside of the TV set, and we'll get to those in a minute. And right out, and after I do that, and tuck these away in a safe place, we'll be back to remove the back panel off and go from there. Here we go. Okay, this next part is going to be what I like to call the meat and potatoes. It's going to do a little bit of a deep dive into this area here where the DVD is actually stuck. There's a bar right here that helps to anchor and stabilize this unit. 3 screws are what I'm going to remove, one from here, one from here, and one from here. Once I remove these 3 screws, we should be able to remove this casing and get to where the mechanism is that is not releasing the DVD, not causing it to eject when we push the eject button. Let's get started. The first one, all the way out. You should take that out and put it right there. Now, this will allow me to, this bracket will allow me to bend it just enough. I don't want to bend it too far to get it out of the way so that I can get to this screw here. There we go. Gonna unplug that part right there, that unit right there, and the pins will easily allow me to reapply it once I get it up. It's gonna I'm gonna need to get more room. There we go. Yeah. And so I wouldn't be able to lift this up like this with that still plugged up. I'm gonna see if this will let us move it out of the way just a little bit more to get my gun in there. And there we go. So now, as you can see, I have all the screws out, and I can now lift this compartment, this part of the DVD player over. The housing and all of that is right there. Now we get to where we can get the DVD out, okay? This area here that actually holds the CD or DVD in this case. So what I'll do is there's a little hole right here. If you can see that, where this part is. I'll put this tool in the end of that little part and I'll start to press. You notice the spring is moving, the arms are moving here, and voila. This tool does a trick. Once the DVD is out far enough to grab it, notice the mechanisms are moving to release it, safely release it. And there we go. Now that it was put everything back together. Hit like on that YouTube channel. We Love Films LLC. And see you next time.